Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by getting both devices ready. Make sure they share the same Wi-Fi network, ideally 5 GHz for less lag. Next, open your phone's screencast or AirPlay control and turn on device discovery so the laptop can appear. On the laptop, install or open the receiving app, connect Miracast, AirServer, or a USB tool like Vicer. Once done, grant any permission prompts on both devices so discovery can proceed, and keep both screens awake while you continue. You now move to the connection step. Open the receiver app and enable projecting to this PC or listening mode so the phone can find it. Then, on your phone, choose your laptop from the available devices. Accept the pairing code or permission request shown on the computer. Make sure to adjust resolution and orientation in the app or system settings, and select the correct audio output so sound follows the stream. If you notice lag, reduce resolution or move closer to the router. You finish by confirming the display mode you want, full screen or windowed, and locking phone rotation to prevent sudden flips. Check that audio is routed to the laptop and test touch or keyboard pass-through if the receiver supports input. If the connection fails, try the most effective troubleshooting step. Restart Wi-Fi on both devices and temporarily disable the laptop firewall. If wireless still misbehaves, switch to a direct USB method like SCRCPY or Vicer, which bypasses network problems and gives a reliable connection.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.